Hello there! In this video, I'll be trying to make a game for the Scream Jam 2023. The only problem is, I started with only having 3 days left. I've always had the idea to make a game where you have to control the light, and a game with a limited light source. If this sounds like a bad idea, that's because I just came up with this idea in like 5 minutes. For this game, I'm using a game engine called Devlog. It's a no-code game engine, and I don't know how to code, so it's perfect for me. Right now, I'm making the character control working. It's a bit too fast though. I managed to get the lantern, but I don't like how it's just static, so I made it move with the mouse. And I added the light. I've got the movement done, but what's next? Oh right, the map. I've decided to make the game take place on an old library, cause you know, old library are pretty spooky. I started out by making the floor, and then made a tiny room to trap our little protagonist in. And then I added a bit of a depth by making the player walk behind the wall. Right now, I'm making the first part of the map, the part where like all the intros and stuff will play. Here's a look at the first part of the map. That's all I've done for today. Now on to the next day. Right now, I'm trying to implement a interact system, though it's not working. But don't worry, I got it fixed. And then, in this area is where you would start the game. And I made the door behind you close. But there's a bit of a problem. As you can see, there is no map. So, it's time to make them. The map is now officially finished, though aside from the floor. I now have the floor, and it kinda implemented the light mechanic. See, I still haven't made the light recharge, but oh wait, that's the time. Time for day 3. Funny story for day 3. I literally got the fever at the night of day 2, and it's no good, especially when you have a deadline, which is in like a couple hours, and your game is still not finished. Like, not even the main monster for this game, not even implemented yet. Even the main mechanic isn't even implemented yet. So yeah, it's safe to say I feel pretty tensed. But I had to finish it because it was already so far in development. So I added more decorations, implemented the light mechanic, and made the monster AI. So now everything is working as expected. And then I made the puzzle. But of course I'm not gonna show you what the answers to the puzzles are. It's not that hard, but yeah, I'm not gonna show you. I also made a menu with a cool animation. I also made the game a bit more darker, so you know, it would be much more scarier. Darker equals scarier. And then I implemented a sound. I'll give you a little preview of what it will sound like. And then there's a lot of stuff I implemented too, like an ending, 2 endings actually, but I'm not gonna show you, and another monster which I'm also not gonna show you because I want it to be a surprise. And I was gonna Oh, hey there, Scream Jam 2023. How are you?
Your time to submit is almost up.
My time is almost up. Let's see. Oh, crap. It's only 15 seconds left. I haven't even built the game. Oh no, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I didn't manage to publish the game. But I asked the Scream Jam host if I could still submit the game, and he allowed it. Surprisingly, I didn't know you could do that. But this is my first time asking for that, so yeah. Anyways, yeah, the game is basically done with a few bugs, of course. You can check this game out on itch.io, and that's it for the video. I finished the game. Probably no updates. Goodbye.